of the morning to you, my friends. We are here at Kelly's Run, just south of Lancaster. Because that sounds Irish, it is St. Patrick's Day. Wishing everyone the best. And we are out this morning for a hike in very Irish weather. It is chilly, foggy, bit of a mist in the air, and yeah, I mean, I suppose it's Irish weather. I was there about 3 years ago in the fall for like 8 days, and we didn't see a drop of rain. So they were in the middle of a drought, I guess, and so I'll take the word for it. This is more Irish weather than I experienced in Ireland, but we're gonna do Kelly's Run here. I usually go counterclockwise on this loop. Get to the waterfalls first, finish up along the river above Holtwood Dam, but figure we'll change it up. You know, I already made that video. We're gonna go backwards, so I'm headed towards the field, the big meadow. Then we'll come out around Holtwood Dam, make our way down. We are going to take a side trip up to the Holtwood Pinnacle today for some special Irish cheer. Abandoned road over on the west side of the loop, just above the river, is it's a deceptive butt kicker going up, even though it's paved. Has a couple nice climbs, but I'll tell you what, going down, this is different. It's a breeze. I'm flying through. So we're approaching what I affectionately have called in other videos the Goonies Bridge, which I always get wrong. Should be the Stand By Me bridge. Anyway, there's no deck, it's just iron beams, and I usually do just cross it. But we're changing things up today. We're going the other way, so I'm actually gonna take the trail down under, because I hear water. I have no idea what the crossing is like down here, but we are gonna cross here. Pretty shallow stones, nothing too bad. Yeah, it looks higher when you're up there crossing it. So this stream runs down, goes through another tunnel down there under railroad tracks, and then the Susquehanna River is on the other side of that. Yeah, I've missed out not coming down here, actually. Quite nice. Oh man, almost went down. Got the waterproof topos on today. Yeah, there we go. Tell you, I haven't had my coffee yet today, so I think my balance is a little off. Don't think my balance is going to be any better after my coffee though. So after coming up from Kelly's Run, the Goonie Bridge, we were on the Blue Trail this whole time, but we're gonna shift off onto, I believe it's part of the Conestoga Trail, and head up these steps. We're gonna take our little side journey up to the Holtwood Pinnacle. It's gonna be a climb. Yeah, ditched my sweatshirt, ditched my hat. Not gonna go with the poles here because I need my hands, but yeah, it's a pretty steep climb, so I'll see you at the top. All right. Made it to the Holtwood Pinnacle. Looks like I'm alone. Yeah, it looks like it's still foggy. This is a wonderful view of the Susquehanna River normally. Yeah, what a climb to get up here. Oh, yeah. So we're looking out on the Lake Aldred section of the Susquehanna River. Usually you can see as far as House Rock, see the bridges up at Columbia, all that. Taquan Glen is sort of across from that island that I can barely see. And to boot, my glasses are fogging up too from the climb. So yeah, very damp, very kind of humid out here, but it is coffee time. So we're gonna go take care of that. I'm gonna give you a little tutorial on how to make awesome Irish coffee on the go. I guess we'll set up here as it appears that someone has already carved my name into the table. So we'll set up at this table. I do want to formally say that I did not do this. Someone else did. And we'll make our coffee. All right, so my ingredients. First off, some good water, filtered at home, brought along. Got my lighter for my MSR stove. I've already got a pint of water in here. Haven't fired it up yet, but we're ready to go. Got some good coffee here, fresh ground this morning. I use a paper filter in my GSI Java drip, but I love this lightweight pour over method paired up with a Sea to Summit cup. That's me. Sweeten your Irish coffee, you're going to want something usually like some brown sugar or some Demerara sugar, turbinado. I had these sugar in the raw packets. They're turbinado cane sugar, so we'll do that. You top it with some whipped cream. Irish coffee, man, you don't use Cool Whip. You don't use anything with a little trigger that's like that. Don't be a savage. Get some heavy whipping cream. Throw in, you know, 4 ounces of heavy whipping cream. Throw in about a tablespoon of powdered sugar, a little dash of vanilla extract. Get that nice and cold steel bowl. I have an insulated cooler, so this has the cooler built in. I've got my cream, sugar, vanilla in here. I am going to vigorously shake this and hopefully whip that into some good whipped cream with some peaks that we can top this. And you got to put the Irish in the coffee. Got this little 2-ounce bottle, and I go Jameson's. Nothing against Bushmill or any other Irish whiskey. I've just simply been a Jameson's man my whole life. So we're gonna get this fired up. So fired up the stove. While we get that water up to boiling, I'm shaking my cream here. Hopefully this works. I read that it takes anywhere from 45 seconds to a couple minutes. It's been on my back bouncing around this whole time, so I'm really hoping this works out here, but we'll see. We'll see. Alright, so water's boiling. First hit in, let it bloom a little bit. Saved one step here by already pouring my sugar into the bottom of the cup. So we'll gradually keep this going here. Stir the grinds around. You don't want the channel. So looking good stuff here. Using my Kicking Horse coffee, Kick-Ass Darkness. Going well. It's going well. I'm gonna make it a touch strong here. right there, and I'm going to cut off the water. I want to leave room for my Irish and my cream, which hopefully shaken up real nice. Keep it chilled. Alright, well, that's looking real nice. Now to special it up a touch here. So this actually kind of worked. Got a nice little whipped cream to put on top here. Oh man, it's real good with the vanilla and the powdered sugar. All right. Oh man, this looks great. Cilantro, everybody. Happy St. Patrick's Day. That is fantastic. Cool whipped cream, nice and sweet. Black coffee. And the Jameson, warming. It's very nice. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. All right, so setting off on the Fireline Trail to head back down to Kelly's Run. Hopefully see some waterfalls. Just want to say, that Irish coffee was delicious. For years, well, yeah, since I went to Ireland, I've been trying to use a whisk and a cold bowl to beat heavy cream into whipped cream. That's for suckers, man. Put it in a container that's like 3 times the size. Just shake that up. Keep it cold, shake it up. That was so delicious. I ate the rest of the whipped cream. What else am I gonna do with it? It was so good. That was 4 ounces of heavy cream, tablespoon of confectioner sugar, and about a teaspoon of half teaspoon to a teaspoon of vanilla. That was phenomenal. On top of that coffee, it was great. Yeah, so we're headed back down here and we're gonna go see some waterfalls. Back down along Kelly's Run, and it is flowing. Gonna get some falls. Last time I was here in my previous video, it was very dry. Very dry, but this is what happens when we get a little snow melt. Oh, look at this. There we go. That's what I'm used to seeing. We're supposed to cross here. Oh, this makes me happy. not a bad rest stop. Just sitting in the middle of Kelly's Run, celebrating the holiday. Sláinte again. The flow today is so opposite of the last video I did here. Like, this is wonderful. This is like the first time I came to Kelly's Run ever. I was blown away by the place. People love Tuquan Glen, just north of here, and it's amazing. But I'll tell you what, Kelly's Run, bang for the buck. This might be my favorite place around here. Blue Trail, I think, is technically going up the side, but I've just been hopping from rock to rock, just making my way straight up Kelly's Run. I mean, if you're gonna hike Kelly's Run, hike in Kelly's Run, you know what I mean? It's a little slippery, but you know, temps are in the 40s, low 40s here, so it's not icy or anything. Last time I was here, you know, I just wasn't even enough water. I could have just dry walked down here. But today I'm just having fun here, man. This is great. Just rock to rock, and oh man, more falls up ahead. Let's go. Do you ever get behind a Corvette doing like 35 in a 55 zone, and you're like, you bought a Corvette, use it. You splurge for the fancy Gore-Tex boots, use them. As for the blazes, we crossed over to the other side here. Definitely gave the Gore-Tex a workout on that crossing. But man, Kelly's Run is it's just beautiful. Tall rocks. Yeah, everything just cut out in this little valley here. It's just gorgeous. I feel completely by myself here. I haven't seen a single person out on the trail today. I mean, it's Wednesday and everybody's probably doing kegs and eggs somewhere, but because it's St. Patty's Day. But oh my god, this place is just stunning. I love it, and there's so much more to go. You're gonna take this, we're going clockwise on the trail, so you're gonna go up Kelly's Run until it splits. And then we'll head up towards the parking lot, but that's for like at least another half mile, 3/4 of a mile. So we probably have way more falls. The trail has taken us well above Kelly's Run. Wish I was still down there splashing around. This water is so crystal clear and beautiful and cold. I really wish, the only mistake I made on my Irish coffee was not grabbing a liter of this water, run it through my new Catadine filter and using that for my coffee. Then it would truly be a Kelly's Run Irish coffee. Next year, baby, next year. All right, so here's our intersection. We got lots of double blazes here, lots of arrows. So that's the main Kelly's Run here. That's where we've come from. And then we've got this split here. Believe, yeah, we're gonna keep following Kelly's Run to the right. But I think we're gonna cross here, yeah, and keep following blue to the right. Blue and orange. It's kind of double blazed here. Trying to look here, not sure what the contributing stream is here. That's coming from our left here, but it's not marked on all trails. But we just came from this way up Kelly's Run. We're here at the split. Boom, and we're going right. Staying on Kelly's Run. So, yeah, double blazes here. Blue blaze arrow. And gonna cross this mess somehow. Man, I love it. I am having so much fun today. And literally maybe 100 feet after we crossed, going over there, so we're crossing again. Love it. Whatever, my toes are dry. Got my Gore-Tex. This is awesome. Oh, the hell with it, I'm just stepping in it, man. I love this. I love it. This is Kelly's Run at its finest. So we're leaving Kelly's Run, we're hiking uphill, and yeah, we're technically in drought conditions right now, so hopefully we'll get a little bit of rain soon. You know, April showers bring May waterfalls, hopefully. Get Kelly supercharged up, and I'll absolutely be back here. Right, so once you leave the stream, once you leave Kelly's Run, going clockwise, not much to see. You get to two power line fire breaks here, but other than that, not much on the way back to the parking lot. I'm used to that being my first venture in, but pretty easy getting out here. Thank you for watching. Happy St. Patrick's Day, Sláinte, all that. This has been fun. Please make sure you subscribe, tell somebody about it. As you can see, I like to have fun on this channel and get out and explore. So if you do too, subscribe, get alerts. I'll keep making videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you. I like to record trail cams too.